Hey everyone, welcome. If you're new to this, dropping on my PhD, 6 months. First thing I worked on was project and task management. I'm approaching this differently than other building in public channels. My aim is first to sort of build a solid foundation, and that might take a few weeks, but that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, did a project task management, made the 100% certainty decision that I am going to drop out. And unless something like just out of the blue happens that sort of makes me change my mind, then that's what we're going with. And then now we're working on optimizing my computer. So I'm using macOS, so optimizing hotkeys, really customizing it. I've never really been into all the settings and stuff, just what I need, but I think it's time that I just spend a few hours, get it set up, and have it improve my workflow. So that's what I'm working on right now. And then after that, the reason that this sort of happened is because I need to organize all my files. I have lots of resources from people that have become wealthy. So lots of podcasts, lots of YouTube channels, links, articles, books, and I need to sort of make a plan on what information I need to use now to make a plan and what I can continue to learn on the way. So after optimizing my Mac, then I need to organize my files. That's really why I'm optimizing my Mac. So organize my files, make a plan, 5K per month in passive income. So let's just get started. I want to get through this. I know people may not enjoy this. Okay, so I'll just have to cut that out. Let's see. So that's one of the reasons why I don't live stream, because I know I'm going to show stuff that I don't want out in public. And not necessarily that I have something to hide, but more you just don't want your personal life in public. So I need to cut the beginning. Okay, let's just go into it. Hope nothing else happens. So desktop and dock, and I'm not showing this other screen, but in my other screen I have my settings open, and I'm just going through it. I don't want anything that I can show that might come back and bite me. I don't want to show it, so you can follow along if you have a Mac. So dock size, decided that, no magnification, position on screen. For me, I personally like let's see, how do we do this? Size, smaller, and position on screen. I like it on the left, and double click, minimize window into application icon, turn. I don't know if that was off, but I have it off. Automatically hide and show dock. Yeah, that one I have on. Automatically hide and show the show indicators for open applications. Yeah, I have that on. I don't know if that was default. In recent docs, yeah, I have that off. So I'll just add this. Show indicators for open applications and show suggested and recent apps off. Okay, let's see. So desktop and stage manager, show items on desktop. What does that mean? Click wallpaper to reveal. I see what that is. I'm not sure how I feel about that, because I've been clicking my wallpaper and all the windows have been moving to the side. I'll leave it on. What is Stage Manager? What is... Or, okay, I'll probably just have to research it right now. So the others are by default. Show windows from an application. Is Stage Manager Mac? I don't know how I feel about that. For now, I'll leave it off. I don't see a need for it. Widgets, just leaving on by default. Windows, preferred tabs when opening documents. Yeah, so nothing else in Windows. Prefer tabs when opening documents, and yeah, nothing there. Mission control shows an overview of your open windows and thumbnails, all arranged in a unified view. Automatically arrange spaces. When switching to an application, switch to a space with open windows. Group windows by application. Hot corners. No, I don't think. What is windows?
Up on your trackpad to reveal mission control. If you don't have that and you're using an iMac, or if you have your MacBook connected to an external monitor and you're using a mouse, then you definitely want to go
Yeah, I think that's what mission control is.
dock to make it really easy to access. So if I click on mission control, as you can see it now opens up all of my windows in an easy to
Group windows by application.
go in and click on the window.
Displays have separate spaces. Oh yeah.
If you want to work within one desktop, you could work within one desktop using the feature like this. Different one. The Finder Desktop 4 drag system preferences in here. And it's a way that this can get guys that
Yeah, no, I don't need to change the defaults. What about shortcuts? Okay, so here's where we're starting to get into the shortcuts. Within mission control, within desktop and dock, there's shortcuts and hot corners. So for hot corners first, mission control, quick note, let's see. You have an option for mission control, which I don't need. Application windows, what is that? Application windows, desktop, notification center, launchpad, quick note, start screensaver. Let's see. So I'm going to test these out. I don't want to show anything. So let's try not quick note. Launchpad. What is launchpad again? Done. No, I don't need that. And so we tried launchpad. What about desktop? Oh, no. And application windows. Application windows, what does that mean? Because it opens up, but it tells me there's no available windows. Or, for one given application, how many windows are there? And open those up. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to have a hot corner. I was thinking about having one to lock screen, which would be cool. But when I'm sometimes I lose where my mouse is, and so trying to find it and accidentally locking my screen every time would be horrible. No hot corners. Okay, so now I can share the other screen. Hot corners. Here we'll say removed any hot corners. Now for shortcuts. So for keyboard mission control, I don't need anything. Mouse shortcut doesn't have any. Application windows, I don't need anything here. I'm just trying to conserve all my hotkeys because my Obsidian has lots of plugins and those take up hotkeys. Show desktop. F11. No. I don't like the F keys because you have to press Fn and then 11. So just turning off any hotkeys. Any keyboard and mouse shortcuts. So we finished desktop and dock. Now we're going into displays. Here, automatically adjust brightness. No. That's something that's always bothered me. And True Tone automatically adapt to make colors in different ambient conditions. I'm gonna turn that off. It seems... Wait. Oh, what did it do? Oh, I see a difference. Wait, do my eyes deceive me? Okay, so let me close my eyes for a second and see if anything changes. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on and see if I can tell a difference. No, I think my eyes are just lying to me. Okay, so what I'm concerned about is if I have True Tone on, would it mean colors appear differently in different places? And so let's say you're building something and you think it looks a certain way, it has a certain aesthetic, and then let's say you go home, completely different lighting, now your aesthetic looks different. And then how does that look for other computers across other people using their own computers everywhere else? Is it just sort of a graphic designer nightmare, or I'll leave it on, but it's gonna be in my mind that if one day I see something I've made looks completely off somewhere else, that's the first thing I'm gonna check. And allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad. No, I don't want that. Finally turned that off. Okay. So link to Mac or iPad. It just doesn't seem useful. Almost like it's being over-engineered a little bit. Maybe I don't know if they're running out of places to engineer stuff, or off. I mean, it's great that there's more emphasis or focus on improving functionality, but some of these I think seem a bit over-engineered. Your display to warmer. No. Yeah, so that's it. Now for wallpaper, just straight up black. You can see that here, I think. Yeah, just straight up black. I don't need pictures, I don't need nothing. Black. For the screensaver, show on all spaces, built-in display. Oh, well, yeah, we do want to show. We'll sleep. Lock screen settings. No, that's for lock screen. So, What did it do? Okay, I think I broke it. Oh, fun. I'm gonna pause it and see if I can fix this. Cool. So I do want to change my screensaver. I don't really like that. And honestly, I would prefer something just minimal. Landscape, cityscape, underwater, other. Photos. I think it's black now. That might be misleading. Like, maybe it looks like your computer's off or something. But whatever. Only I will know, so that matters. Battery health is normal. Yeah, nothing to change in battery. So now looking at lock screens, start screensaver when inactive. When inactive, sure. Turn display off when battery is inactive. Wait, turn on battery when inactive. Yeah, so the only thing I changed, let's see, didn't make any changes. I just went with colors. Touch, wait, where am I at? Lock screen. Oh, I see. So actually this one was colors. Lock screen. I am removing show user name and photo. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Off. and Touch ID and password. Oh, no, that's the next one. And yeah, so that's all I have for lock screen. My Touch ID isn't set, so nothing to change. Now, users and groups. Nothing to change. Server 4, I think this is for like businesses, companies that have multiple Macs that people are using, but I'm just curious about it. Yeah, so nothing to change under here. Going into passwords, security. Oh, so okay. Yeah, so that's just passwords. Internet accounts. Let's see. More apps using iCloud. I don't want to use contacts. I don't care about calendar or reminder or Safari or news or stocks or home. Wait, wallets. No. Safari, no. Nor freeform. Maps. No. I can't turn it off. Or shortcuts. There's an interesting hide my email option, but maybe later. In iCloud. So what I did, removed all unused apps from using Yeah, so just minimizing my iCloud usage because I don't really use it. And I don't want information that I just expect to be on my Mac to show up anywhere else. Game Center I don't use. So if I click sign out, what happens? Back, sign out. Yeah, so I don't use Game Center. Signed out. And for wallet and Apple Pay. Nice. I don't have any. Let's orders. Add orders to purchase. Yes, I don't have any cards on there. Now keyboard. Turn keyboard backlight off. No. Use keys to move focus between controls. Press. Keyboard shortcuts. Ooh. Okay. So let's come back to this. Mouse. Oh, this is going to have its own. Trackpad is going to have its own. Yeah, so printer, didn't make any changes. Wait, what did I do? Oh, there we go. So now we need to go over these keyboard, mouse, and trackpad. After this, we can start going into the apps. So for keyboard, microphone, Siri, set up keyboard. I'll need to set up my keyboard. Change keyboard type. Oh, cancel that. Okay, so let's see. Where did it ask? Oh, keyboard shortcuts. Text replacements. On my way. Are there any good text replacements? I can look that up. Look that up actually and set it up later. Emergency, like emergency things to have. Okay, so keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so I think I can show my screen for this. I think I can. Yeah. Yeah, so this one should be fine. So you can get into the actual useful stuff. Everything else was personal preference. This might be a little bit useful. Actually seeing. So launch pad and dock. Turn dock hiding on and off. I don't think I need that. Oop. Keyboard. Cuts. Display, increase display. No, I mean, it has its own buttons. Why do we need more hotkeys? Oh, wait. Huh. Oh, I do need to keep these. It changes my brightness when I use my Logitech keyboard. On my Logitech keyboard. I have brightness buttons. Same thing as my Mac. But if I turn this off and on, I can't use my Logitech keyboard buttons anymore. Even though they're literally the same buttons on the Mac, F1, F2. Is it F1 or F2? Well, not necessarily F1. It's the F1, F2 button, but I don't need to press FN. Mission control. To change a shortcut, double click the key combination. Turn off do not disturb. Wait, to change, double click the key combination. Huh. Change. Why is there a shortcut for this that has none? Then why have it on? Turn, I don't need this. What's this? Oh, move a space, switch to desktop, quick note. Yeah, I don't need any of that. Turn off mission control shortcuts. What about keyboard? Change the tab move focuses. Keyboard access on or off. Ooh. Control F1. So let's try that. Control F1. No. Control. No. Let's see. So maybe FN control F1. No. Nope. Control. Not doing anything. Change the way tab moves focus. Change the way. Let me look this up. I don't know what that means. I'll just turn it off. Turn. No, I don't know what that does either. Control. Yeah, Control F1 should have turned off keyboard access. Control F1. It's not doing anything. Okay, I am interested in that though. Let's see. How to use keyboard access on or off. That's actually pretty cool. Move focus, because then if someone, like, let's say you leave your computer there for whatever reason, people want to check or something and they don't know that your keyboard access is off. That's kind of cool. Oh, okay, let me try option. What's a good option? Option U. Oh, maybe we have to press done. Well, I mean, it should have been on in the first place. Okay, so let's try it now. We can type. We're messing around. And let's do option U. Oh, what? Let's try option U. No. No, it's not doing anything. Keyboard shortcuts. Oh, I mean, yeah, y'all can see. This is the one that I cannot get to work. Move focus to the menu bar. What did we do? Move focus window to the next window. Yeah, so we don't need any of that. Keyboard shortcuts. Screenshots. And let's see, presenter. Turn presenter on or off. What's the point of having these on if there's nothing attached to them? Services. To change a shortcut, double click. Okay. Those are good. Accessibility. Okay, actually, let's take this step by step. Save a screenshot of a file. Copy picture of screen to the clipboard. Save picture. Copy picture. Screenshot recording. Yeah, those are good. I'm actually going to save those. Turn off keyboard shortcuts, and then input sources was just as is, leaving nothing here. Presenter overlay, turn off presenter overlay, shortcuts, services. What is this? Developments. Huh. That's just silly. Why have this? Okay, I'll leave these off because all of these allocations and links. What is allocations and links? It's allocations and leaks. Well, what is system trays? Compared to main. All of these sound interesting. Create workflow, make new, run script. And yeah, so that's, we'll have those off for now. Files and folders. None of these even have keyboards, but let's see if any of them are interesting. What do you call it? A shortcut just to uninstall something. Get files, folder actions setup, encode new terminal. Don't need anything. Internet, open, add to reading list. No. New email, no. No. Searching. Search with Google's, look up in dictionary. No. And then text. Let's see. Make a new sticky note. Open man page in terminal. Ooh. Show finder. No, none of these really. So then turn off services shortcuts. And this one, this is fine. Accessibility, live captions. I don't need live captions. What's live speech? I don't know. Haven't used them. Show accessibility controls. Maybe I'll leave that on. Turn voice over. Control F5. Not now. Oh, so it's... Wait, what was it? Do you want to enable diction? No. So just leave that off. And... let's see. Do we want a shortcut for an application? No. I think like it's as quick for me to search for the application and open it using Spotlight as probably, I mean, I always have them open already. No, I don't need that. And control option. Yeah, so I don't need to do anything there. Done. Cool. So we finished all that. Let me double check. Yeah, so we didn't make any changes there or there or there. So now with the mouse, natural scrolling, here is the only thing I did change. Yeah. I'm not used to the way that let me see. Huh. Oh, I see. I'm click right. Okay. I'm not used to the natural way of scrolling. Yeah. Double click speed. Oh, yeah. Scrolling speed, sure. Just turn it up a little bit. No, it's medium. And then advanced point acceleration. When enabled, will move for fast mouse and more precisely for slow mouse. That's nice to have. So that just means if I'm moving slowly, it moves precisely, while if I'm moving fast, it moves faster. I'm curious what it looks like without that. Maybe it's... Well, I mean, it looks a little bit more jerky now. Well, yeah. So, yeah. It's more jerky if I have it off. There we go. Now for trackpad. Scroll and zoom, more gestures. Let's see. Point and click, tracking speed. Click, force click. Yeah, these are fine. Yeah, this is just like clicking. Scroll and zoom, natural scrolling, yup. Zoom in and out with 2 fingers, I like that. Double tap with 2 fingers. Let's see. Double tap. No, I don't know what that did. Oh, what did I do now? Great. Let's see. Oh. Wait, what was... I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I won't mess around with that. Rotate with 2 fingers. Yeah, that's fine. Swipe between pages. Swipe between... Ooh, with full screen applications. Okay, I'm gonna try this, but I don't want to open up another app and see. Swipe from the right with 2 fingers. Yeah. I don't know. Not sure what that does. Mission control. Swipe up, yup. App expose. What is that? Swipe down. Let's try that. App expose. Swipe down with 4 fingers. Oh. That was just the same thing as like showing Windows. Launchpad. Pinch with thumb and 3 fingers. Yes, I'll actually take a picture of this. Scroll and zoom. And then point and click. I need like a cheat sheet where I can just reference all the ones I have set up. Well, that's fine. But let's see. Trackpad didn't change anything. Cool. So we just finished system settings and we need to, oh, well, I have that, I see. And a list of hotkeys setup. So in this list of hotkeys, we're gonna start with downloads and all the screenshots that I have. Yeah. Whoa. Now time to go through all of the different applications. Disk utility, freeform, screenshots, script editor, shortcuts, system information, terminal, time machine. What happened? Huh. Oh, I see. Offered 5. Trash me. Logi options, and lastly magnets. And then just have all my hotkeys there. Why can't I click and drag? Cool. So I'm gonna take a short break, then come back. I might do this offline. We'll see. Some of these I think I should do offline. System information for sure. Yeah, so we'll see when I come back. While sipping on my juice box, I decided I'll probably just go through this offline. It'll just be so much quicker for me. And I don't upload like 40 minutes of just me typing on a screen. And then I will make a video summarizing it, and it'll all be something I probably upload onto GitHub. If not, I'll charge $5 for it with this updated vault. $5 isn't that much. I spent hours on it, but I'll make it useful. And really a guide. So and even if, well, yeah, that's a bit in the future, but yeah, we'll see what decision I make. But I'll upload a guide, probably make a video from it. Yeah, so I'll end my recording there. My goal for the rest of today, or the next hour till I work on my second YouTube channel, would be to just go through these. After this, we're done. And I think, or did I? Let me stop sharing for a second. I said inside of my efforts, inside my efforts within Life Ops, I have system maintenance, and in system maintenance within Brainstorm, yeah, so here it is. This is my plan. After I finish that today, set up my hotkeys. Tomorrow is when I'm going to start organizing all my files. This is probably going to be completely offline, but I will make a guide to it in this vault somewhere. And yeah, so I'm going to have a guide on how I organize my folder and files across my Mac and my different thumb drives. Well, hard drives, soft drives. Then start organizing my current files, which I'll also have to do offline. So maybe I stop posting for a few days while I organize all my current files. Or maybe, let's say, at the end of every day, I share like a curated list of what I have so far. Because I have a lot of folders, and a lot of files and links. And yeah, I can share those at the end of every day. It'll be like 5-minute updates every day until I finish this. Come up with a plan. Yeah, things are looking good. Probably by Sunday, I hope to be done with this by Sunday. So organize. Let's just have a deadline. 1 dash. Friday's at 12. Saturday 13, 14. 14. I think I can do that. Yeah. All right. See y'all tomorrow.